Hello, entrepreneurs, marketers, and business enthusiasts. I'm Thamizharasu, your guide on this journey to mastering the art of customer engagement and retention. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the customer journey, the roadmap every customer travels from discovering your brand to becoming a loyal advocate. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategy, understanding this journey is crucial for your business's success. So let's embark on this adventure together and transform the way you interact with your customers. 1. The importance of mapping the customer journey for your business. Mapping the customer journey is not just about charting steps. It's about empathy, understanding, and ultimately delivering exceptional value at every point of interaction with your brand. By visualizing the journey, you can identify key touchpoints where you can influence perceptions, streamline processes, and forge stronger connections. This insight allows you to allocate resources more effectively, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. 2. Stage 1. Awareness. How customers discover your brand. The customer journey begins with awareness. This is the stage where potential customers first learn about your brand. It could be through social media, word of mouth, or advertising. The goal here is to make a compelling introduction, stand out from the competition, and ensure your brand is remembered. Strategies like targeted content, ACO, and impactful social media presence are vital in making a strong first impression. 3. Stage 2. Consideration. Influencing the decision-making process. Once aware, customers move into the consideration stage. Here, they evaluate your products or services against their needs and your competitors. This is your opportunity to showcase your unique value proposition. Educational content, testimonials, and product demonstrations can play a key role in influencing their decision-making process in your favor. 4. Stage 3. Purchase. Streamlining the buying experience. The purchase stage is critical. It's where interest converts to action. The key here is to streamline the buying experience. Simplify the purchasing process, ensure transparency in pricing, and provide multiple payment options. A seamless experience can significantly increase conversion rates and decrease cart abandonment. 5. Stage 4. Retention. Turning one-time buyers into repeat customers. Acquiring a new customer is just the beginning. The retention stage focuses on turning one-time buyers into repeat customers. This involves after-sales support, loyalty programs, and ongoing engagement strategies. Personalization and listening to customer feedback are pivotal in creating a loyal customer base. 6. The role of digital channels in enhancing the customer journey. In today's digital age, channels like social media, email, and your website play a crucial role in each stage of the customer journey. They offer numerous opportunities for personalization, real-time engagement, and gathering valuable customer insights. Leveraging these channels effectively can elevate the customer experience significantly. 7. Personalization and its impact on the customer journey. Personalization is the cornerstone of a memorable customer journey. It's about treating customers as individuals with unique needs and preferences. Through data analytics and customer feedback, businesses can tailor experiences, communications, and offers, making each interaction feel personal and relevant. This not only enhances satisfaction but also fosters loyalty. 8. Measuring success. Key metrics and tools to track the customer journey. What gets measured gets managed. To optimize the customer journey, you need to track performance using key metrics such as customer satisfaction, CSAT, Net Promoter Score, NPS, conversion rates, and customer lifetime value, CLV. Tools like Google Analytics, CRM systems, and customer feedback platforms are essential for gathering these insights. 9. Future trends, predicting changes in customer behavior and journey mapping. The customer journey is evolving. Advances in technology, changing consumer expectations, and the rise of new platforms are shaping how businesses interact with customers. Staying ahead requires constant learning, agility, and a willingness to innovate. Keep an eye on trends like AI-driven personalization, voice search, and immersive technologies to stay competitive. Mastering the customer journey is an ongoing process of learning, adapting, and innovating. It's about putting the customer at the heart of your business strategy and creating experiences that delight, engage, and retain. Remember, the journey doesn't end with the purchase. It's just the beginning of a relationship. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Together, let's transform your business and lead it to unprecedented success.